Hello, this is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. And today we're going to make this beautiful seed bead necklace, but minus the arrowhead that I added to it. What you need for that is you're going to need some beads. These right here are the 0/6 glass seed beads. You can order these from Amazon. You can get these from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, just about anywhere. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need some tools, cutting tools, this tool. First, what you want to do is arrange your beads the way you want them to be. Think of a pattern and put them on your tray. I got this little small tray right here from the Dollar Tree. Also, you're going to need one of these. Two split rings. And what I like to do is I like to add a chain just in case your customer or whoever gets this necklace has a bigger neck than you do. My wire, when I measured it, it's like 22 inches. All you have to do is put it around your neck to see the size of your neck and just add maybe an inch to it. So let's get started. As you can see, I already threaded my beads to the pattern that I want. So what you're gonna do now is get your tool right here, get your split ring, open it, add your split ring to your, as soon as I figure out where the opening is, it's right here. See, I like to use a split ring because then you don't have to worry about your necklace come apart. You know, the string can slide right through the little crack. You're going to attach these two together. Make sure that's on there. Also, it's a good rule of thumb is to have like a little clamp or something at the edge of your necklace. You don't want to do all that pretty work and then it comes apart because your beads came off the other end. So what you do now, you get your piece right here, attach it to your necklace. I like to tie a little knot. I don't want this to unravel. So I tie a knot. Get my tools, pull it tight. Thread it through the bead. And you want to cut off some of that wire you have sticking out right there so it doesn't poke anybody in the neck. So I get my cutter, put some of it off. So that side is done. And you're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Get your split ring, run it through there. You're going to tie a knot. Okay. Grab your tools. Make sure that's on there really good. Thread this through the beads. A few beads. Pull it through. Cut the extra off. Make sure this wire's not poking through. And also what I like to do is, since everyone has different neck sizes, I like to add a little piece of chain to the end of mine. So open up your chain. Open up your chain. You're going to attach it to this side right here. Close it up. Okay. Yeah, you got to make sure this is closed. You'll see it's open. Try to do it without pinching yourself. Okay. There you go. And here's your beautiful necklace, seed bead necklace. Like I said, try to have your pattern laid out the way you want it, first of all. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It gives me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.